To apply a theme to a report in Layout View, on the Form Layout Design or Report Layout Design tab in the Themes group, click the Themes button to expand the gallery. Click one of the themes to apply it. To use the Property sheet to change the width of a control in Layout View, on the Form Layout Design tab or the Report Layout Design tab in the Tools group, click the Property Sheet button. In the Property sheet, under the All tab, in the Width box, enter the value you want. Press Enter to apply the change. To rearrange columns in a tabular layout from Layout View, on the Arrange tab in the Rows and Columns group, click the Select Column button. This ensures that you will move the label control along with the bound text box control. Move the mouse pointer over the column. When the pointer changes to the Move shape, click and drag the column to the new location. Access displays an I-bar shape to indicate where the controls will be placed. In a stacked layout, it is more common to move individual controls rather than an entire column. To move both a bound control and its label control, select both controls by clicking one and pressing Control as you click the other. Move the mouse pointer over the selected controls. When the pointer changes to the Move shape, click and drag to the new location. Access highlights the cell in the layout where the control will be placed. To add a new empty row to the form layout, select a control in the layout. From Layout View, on the Arrange tab in the Rows and Columns group, click the Insert Above button to insert a row above the current selection. Padding refers to the space between the layout rows and the columns. To modify the padding for the entire report, first select the entire layout. On the Arrange tab, in the Rows and Columns group, click the Select Layout button. Next, in the Position group, click the Control Padding button and select the padding option you want. To add a logo or other small image to the form header, on the Form Layout Design tab or the Report Layout Design tab, in the Header/Footer group, click the Logo button. In the Insert Picture dialog, browse to find the image you want to use as the logo, select the file, and then click OK. The image is added to the upper left corner of the header. To add a title to the form header, in the Header/Footer group, click the Title button. An unbound text control with the name of the database object is added to the header just to the right of the logo. To change the title, click in the box and modify the text. To add the date and/or time to the report header, in the Header/Footer group, click the Date and Time button. The Date and Time dialog opens. Select the radio buttons for the date and time formats you want. Click OK to add the date and time to the upper right corner of the header. To add page numbers to the Page Footer section, on the Report Layout Design tab, in the Header/Footer group, click the Page Numbers button. In the Page Numbers dialog, select the page number options you want. Be sure to select the Bottom of Page Footer radio button to place the page number at the bottom of the page. Click OK to insert the page numbers. To group records in a report, first display the Group, Sort, and Total pane at the bottom of the report window. On the Report Layout Design tab, in the Grouping and Totals group, click the Group and Sort button. In the Group, Sort, and Total pane, click the Add a Group button and click the field you want to group by. Access adds grouping to the report, including a group header for each group with a title. To change the default grouping level, click the arrow next to the current grouping level to expand the options available and then make a selection. Click outside the menu to accept the change. To add totals to a report in Layout View, click any value in the control you want to add a total to. On the Report Layout Design tab, in the Grouping and Totals group, click the Totals button. Select the function you want to use for the total. To see how the report will print, switch to Print Preview View. On the Home tab, in the Views group, click the View button and select Print Preview. If your report will print on more than one page, it is a good practice to preview the report in a multiple page layout. To preview 2 pages at a time, in the Zoom group, click the 2 Pages button. Use Print Preview View to adjust margins and page orientation for your reports before printing. If the report columns do not all fit on one page, change the page orientation. In the Page Layout group, click the Landscape button. To use a preset margin option, in the Page Size group, click the Margins button and select an option: normal, wide, or narrow. To export a report to a PDF file, on the Print Preview tab in the Data group, click the PDF or XPS button. In the Publish as PDF or XPS dialog, Access automatically suggests a file name based on the name of the report. Click Publish. Click the Close button to close the window. To export data to Word from Print Preview View, on the Print Preview tab in the Data group, click the More button and select Word. Access automatically suggests a file name based on the name of the report. From the Export RTF file window, click OK to begin the export process. When you are finished, click the Close button.